Photo to 3D keychain. Oh, look at it. It's me and my photo, and look at those. So, welcome to How to Do It. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today, we're gonna talk about that how to make this kind of keychain in just no time. First of all, requesting like the video and subscribe to the channel for get more videos like this. Now, let's begin the video and learn how you can do so. Requesting like, share, subscribe, and if you don't know, comment down below how and where from you learned. Let's begin the video. First of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the chat GPT and add your photo from over here, this add option. You can do this on your mobile phone too. So I have uploaded this image and given this command, and voila, you can check out, it has just converted to my keychain and it's looking great. If I want to show you one more, I have one more interesting and good one also available, but where the hell is that gone? This one. Oh my god, I uploaded this photo, 1 second, and you can check it out. It's looking great, my friend. It's looking great. If you understood how you can do, check out the comment section below. I will provide you the command over there, and share the details. Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for getting more video like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.